Located in desirable Archer's Walk, this well-maintained condo sits in the middle of the historic Freemason area and just blocks from downtown. The open-concept floor plan offers great living space that includes a wood-burning fireplace and large sliding glass doors that provide ample natural light. Enjoy your morning coffee on the cozy balcony. The kitchen offers granite counters, stainless steel appliances and fantastic cabinet space. The large primary bedroom includes a large bay window, walk-in closet and attached bathroom. A second spacious bedroom can double as an office or guest room. Building amenities include secure entry, reserved parking, pool and clubhouse.